So I know it's been a year and a half, but let me explain real quick. Basically, I'm just anxious again and I want to go for a drive and yap. So let's, dude, I don't know how to do this. Bruh.
Bluetooth connect.
Okay, consider my phone taped to my headrest with the flash on. So. Shoot. Oh man. Oh man. Wait. I don't know why I moaned. Okay, so I came here because I thought it'd be quiet. And there's a Mach 2 and I think that's a Titan or something, and they're just yelling, so now I'm more anxious. But yeah, I decided to come to the parking lot that I filmed the last like really cringy funk edit to. What is it? I don't know what's going on over there. Oh, they're coming down here. Cool. Okay, so I came to the same parking lot that I did the really cringy edit of my car in when I was like 17. I think it was anxious because, or driving because anxious. Anyway, I came to that same parking lot because I thought it'd be cool to be like, oh, I want to yap and stuff. But I was gonna film outside and do more exterior stuff. But right after I got here, I came here because it's quiet. Like usually no one's here. And right after I got here, a bunch of teens started showing up, and they're over there where they can see me just like kind of screaming. So that's why I'm in my car. So obviously it's been a long time since I've made a video. That's not even true. It's been a long time since I've posted a video. I've been making them. I've just been like not proud of my work. This is like a cop-out video, try and help me just get over the fear of putting stuff out and feeling like I have to be perfect and stuff. Because this is what I want to do. I like to make videos and I want to make videos, especially about cars. I love cars. I love making videos. Why not have the two go hand in hand? But yeah, basically, I just want to say that I wanted to make videos and I wanted to yap and get feedback about this because this is what I want to do. I love cars. I have this whole big idea where I want to do like an old school Hoonigan type thing. I want to do like high-end build videos and Gymkhana style stuff where it's just featured driving. I think it'd be so sick. I already have the branding, the name, everything. Endless journals of just notes on stuff I want to do, and I haven't done any of it, and I've been trying to work towards it. Okay, I'm gonna leave. They came over to my car. So, new parking lot. One where hopefully no one shows up. Yeah, anyway, I have all these big dreams, and right now I'm super anxious about them not happening, and I'm trying to work towards it. You know, I'm going to welding school this fall so I can learn how to fabricate, and then after welding school it's to machining school it's to automotive engineering. So it's going to be a really busy next 6 years, but hopefully it'll work out and hopefully I'll be able to build race cars. So yeah, that's what I've been working on, and I've been working on a video called Broke. That's what I want to name it. Basically, it's focusing on the fact that I can't afford to do my dream, and it's me getting to a point like working to get to a point where I can start building my dream. I almost have everything I need to film it. I'm just super nervous to put it out because I don't know if people will like it, if it'll even be good, or if the concept will come across as corny, like how I feel like this is right now. If you can tell, I'm really insecure about my work. I had to watch back the clip in the last parking lot to see where I was, and I just was like, man, this dude looks fat and stupid.
Hell no.
And probably none of you guys thought that. Well, maybe you did. Yeah, so I am probably being way too hard on myself. But I wanted to know how you guys would feel about me putting out a video like that. Kind of like this, where it's more emotionally based. And then I would get into the stuff like the videos where I got wheels and tires for my car, or when I did my headers, or when I lowered it on my coilover. So, which lowering it wasn't even the goal. It was just to make it handle better, because I am in love with Toge. So yeah, but yeah, so I really want to do all that stuff and put out all those videos, and part of me wants to get to a point where I can go film videos across the world, like go to Japan and find, like, you know, rare Japanese car parts and stuff like that, or go to the UK and hang out with the local boys, which I don't even know if local boys mess with me like that. All I know is Tom from the Local Boys UK was my 11th subscriber on my YouTube channel, and I was his 11th subscriber. I don't know if they even like me like that, but I would consider Tom a friend. I haven't talked to him in like a year and a half, but I'd consider him like a friend in the UK, so maybe one day I'd get to go over there. If he watches this, I might sound hella stupid right now, and he'd be like, who the hell does this guy think he is? But if I ever become successful, I would gladly like to go to, I don't know what place it is because I don't live there, but I see it on their stories, and I'd love to go there. And there is a pavilion over there, and I would look like a really cool cult leader if I took a photo. So, but that's a weird idea, so I'm not going to do that. But I looked up, and you can't really see it on camera, but this was covered in flying cockroaches when I walked over here. I think they've all gone up. I don't know how to outro this video. I would love to hear. What the hell was that? So yeah, I left that last parking lot because I heard a scary noise and it freaked me out, so I just dipped. It was probably just like a flying cockroach jumping and hitting something. So I came somewhere more civilian. I don't know, someplace where I felt more safe, which is outside of a Mexican restaurant. So yeah, I just have no idea how to exit this video. If you have any comments, ideas, thoughts, concerns, or whatever, I would love to hear about them in the comments. Even if they're negative, I'll do my best just to look at them and try and take them with a grain of salt. Either that or I'll just kill myself. But yeah, so I guess goodbye now. Remember, we live underneath the same sky and the same stars, so end video. I think I'm about to lose it. She's gonna find out I'm a loser.